Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Janice, and in this video I will show you how to make pork chops in my crock pot. And for this meal it requires 3 ingredients. The ingredients that I will use for this meal are boneless pork chops. You can have pork chops with bones or boneless. I will use a half of an onion sliced, 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, and 3/4 cup of water. The first thing that I will do is I will put my pork chops that I already went ahead and I washed them, and I will put them into my crock pot. And then I will add all the other ingredients after I put in the pork chops. Okay, then my next ingredient will be the half of an onion that I already sliced. And I would just put them into my crock pot. Then I will add 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. And then after I put in the cream of mushroom soup, I will put my 3/4 cup of water. And the reason why I put 3/4 cup of water into my crock pot is because I have that cream of mushroom soup, and that way the pork chops will come out really nice and tender and they won't be so dry. So after you have all your ingredients in your crock pot, just stir them back and forth, making sure all the ingredients are all mixed in pretty well. And once you have that done, and then I will cover my crock pot, put the lid on, and then I will cook it on high. And this will cook for about 3 hours, depending on how thick the pork chops are. But in my case, the pork chops that I bought, they're really thin, so it only requires about 3 hours to cook on high. So now we just let this cook for 3 hours, and I will be back and show you how it turned out. Okay, I am back, and it's been 3 hours since I put the pork chops in the crock pot, and now I am ready to serve them on a plate. Okay, now I am ready to serve the pork chops on my plate, and before I serve them, I also went along and made some mashed potatoes and some asparagus to go along with my pork chops. So now I'm ready to scoop out the pork chops out of the crock pot and put them on my plate. And then I have some mashed potatoes that I made. Some asparagus, and a lot of times when you make this recipe, because of the cream of mushroom soup that I used earlier, you can use that for the mashed potatoes. So I will be doing that. I'll put the gravy onto the mashed potatoes, and you can put some of that gravy on top of the pork chops as well. And there is the meal. That looks so delicious. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you give this pork chop recipe a try. You have to try it. It's really good and it's so simple to make. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.